Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, ta-da! We're opening more Happy Mail. I got a surprise package from my friend Vero. She's Daisy Lou Designs. I'll have all her links down below. I'm sure you guys have seen me open Happy Mail from her before. I'll have her Instagram, and I think she does. She has a YouTube as well. Those links will be down below. Go follow and tell her I sent you. But yeah, look how cute she decorated the box. I'm loving this whole decorating of the box. I feel like I'd rather take my time with one swap than just throw something together. And I've been enjoying doing that. I haven't done that all the time, but I've been enjoying doing that for my pen pals. So let's dig in. This little card, do you see how cute she is going to be for me to read after. But look, you guys, how cute. We got crinkle paper. I'm going to take everything out of the box. You guys know how I do. And put all the little baggies and stuff. Oh, this looks fun. Look at that. She always packages everything so cute all the time. There's not one swap that her stuff looks store-bought. Let's see. Oh, is this like look at this. An exploding box. I think I've only had one other person make me an exploding box. Look at all that fun stuff in the inside. Definitely saving all that. And then there's, oh my gosh. Okay. So this is everything that was in the package. Can you guys see everything? I got my new stand, but I think I put it too low again. So next video, I promise I'll be higher up. But you guys, this is the first thing I see. Look how cute she packaged it. And they're like little embellishments. Do you guys see these? How cute they are. Oh my god. I have like 4, I think, already that she has sent me. She makes the cutest embellishments. And don't they look like if you buy them at a store? These are so cute. I love these. Thank you so much, girly. I love those. Then there's this little bag right here. You guys remember Daisy? I call her, I get confused. You know, at first I thought her name was Daisy because I saw it said Daisy Lou Designs. But then I realized that it was Vero. But you guys remember she made me a birthday package. I have the video here if you guys want to check it out. I'm going to open it from the bottom because I don't want to ruin the top. Her birthday package to me was amazing. Oh my gosh, did she just make me a little banner? She totally did. I'm going to have my room filled with banners. Look at this banner, you guys. It says love. How cute is this? I think I'm going to put this one on my door. Look how cute. It says a little L. L. V. I hope you guys can see. E. Oh my god, look at the string. Super cute. Thank you so much for that. That is so cute. I love that. I love banners. And then this is like a little box kit. So I can make like my own little box. She always does these little kits and stuff where you can like create your own stuff, which I think is such a great idea. And then we have in this little box, I think these are tag. See, look how cute that is. Look how cute her ideas are. This is a little box and it has the little window and everything. And it says tag and envelope kit. So look at that. She gives you the little strings. She gives you the tags and the envelopes. And like she hand makes all this stuff. That's amazing. Let me fix the focus up so you guys can see better. Look how cute. I love this idea. This is really cute. Thank you for that. I'm going to save the box for last. In here, I think it's a little notebook. Well, we're going to see if it is or not. Yeah, it's like a little notebook, and she added like little pieces of like, she put stickers and little pieces of die cuts, a little sticker sheet here. You guys, she's so creative and like unique in her style. I love it. I love it so much. Let me put that right there. And we have this little package, which it looks like washi. Yes, some washi. Oh, she sent me a few. Look at that. Look at these colors. Perfect for spring. Look at that, you guys. How fun are those colors? Oh, I love it. I'm going to put them right here to make my background look nice. And we have one more here. Oh, we got some stickers. And look at the way she decorated it. Oh, there's the tags too. I don't want to open into anything, but I think these are like little tags as well. So she gave me stickers and tags. I love how everything like is color coordinated. Everything is the same colors. I love that. And then this is the little last package before I open up my box. Look at that girl. Can we like have her hair? Let me bring the focus up. Can you see her hair? She's beautiful. Where'd you get that girl? She is too cute. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh, it's one of those little coin envelopes. I'm so excited. I just got a new desktop because my previous desktop wasn't compatible with the Cricut, and I'm gonna get the Cricut next week, and I'm so excited. So this new desktop is like huge. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see it. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy and I'm excited because it's Windows, and my previous computer was it was like a Google Chrome. She sent me a bunch of little cut aparts. Why do I feel like I'm so blurry? She sent me a bunch of cut aparts, and look at this cute little stamp set. It says Paris, a day to remember, a little key, a crown. I love these. These are so cute. I wonder what paper pad this is. I've never seen that collection before. Now we're gonna see this box. I'm excited. This is what the box looks like. It says Lily Girl. And that's how the box looks all the way around. She did a cute little rosette with a bow. And now I want to make sure that my focus is on the bottom. The struggle, you guys, the struggle. Right? Yes. Let's see. Oh my God, look how cute. You guys, can you see how beautiful this is? And look at the little girl. She put me some flat back pearls. I got some more little cut aparts, some sequins. And there's a little rosette here with a little clip. Some stickers and sequins here. There's a little envelope here. It's probably something in there, but I don't want to tear into that right now because I haven't taken pictures of this. I love how small this is and how it looks so cute here. It says treasure everything. Oh, look at the little clips, you guys. And then we got some more little ephemera pieces. She made a little Paris, the Eiffel Tower. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, thank you so much, Vero. I love it. I love everything you send me all the time. Everything you send me is always so perfect, and just, I can feel the love. I can feel the time that you took into it. It's just amazing. Do you guys see all these goodies? This is amazing. I love it so much. I can't wait to take pictures to put on my Instagram. Thank you so much, girly. Looking forward to our next swap. And you guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.